Shout out to JPH Beats.
Something that's good for me.
Let's get this started, guys. I'm about to show you guys how to solo on a slow minor kompa beat. Guys, shout out to JPH Beats for dropping this on YouTube. Let's go. If you haven't already done so, I want you guys to go ahead and like and subscribe, guys. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Support this channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what my next video should be about. Okay, so we're in D minor. So what's our chord progression? It starts on G minor, A major, D minor. It stays on D minor again, then goes back to G minor. Now if you want to do some classic solo, guys look, we're in D minor. Two things you gotta know. D minor is in F major basically. So what's your F major scale? So those are the notes in your D minor basically. So, two scales you gotta know. Your D minor blues scale. So what's your D minor blues scale, and what's that? Watch this, guys. So you're just taking away this note and you're adding this note, basically. And you can do a lot of solos with just the blues scale. Another one, what's your D minor scale itself? Guys, watch this, look. For your D minor scale, all we're gonna do is sharp the 5, and watch this. So that's your D minor scale. So we got the D minor blues scale and the D minor scale. So now let's put on a flute sound and let's solo on this track. When the song is on a minor, and this is a minor, it's a 6, I usually go to the 3 and do this. Some people like to do this. So let's start with the D minor scale, not the blues scale, but the minor scale, which is what? So let's do some solos with the D minor scale. Watch this, guys. So I added some chords to it. Look at this, guys. So let's do some more things. Let's do it some low octave too. Watch this, guys. So that's using the minor scale. Now we're gonna do one using the blues scale. So watch this, guys. Remember, this is the blues scale. You're just adding that sharp 2. So watch this, guys. Then we're going to use 3 notes. 3 notes. Occasionally I add this. This is not even a part of the blues scale. but it's a part of my G minor. So, the third way we're gonna solo, guys, let's go ahead and solo with the chords themselves, using the seconds of the chords. So G minor, watch this, guys. The seconds, look. I just implemented 3 different scales just now. Listen, guys, the minor is really fun if you know what scales to apply, guys. 3 scales you can apply to the minor. The regular scale, major scale of that key, the minor scale of that key, and the blues scale of that key. Remember, go to kompakeyboardschool.com. This is Roland blazay signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland blazay. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play, and we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. This Kompa course, how to choke, simple solo tips. You will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.